This is our mild steel electrode used for welding low carbon steels. It's got a flexible coating, and it's also moisture resistant. It's a contact electrode, which means you can drag it, and it makes it very easy to operate. It'll also weld through paint, oil, grease, or epoxy. It's so easy to run that it actually will weld by itself.
Weld it all by itself. I saw
The slag is basically self-releasing. This will weld through paint, rust, grease, oil, epoxy. It's got an 83,000 pound PSI tensile strength. Very easy to use. Well, this is also an all-position electrode, and I'll show you. It'll weld it vertical, overhead, horizontal, vertical up, vertical. Okay, this will weld vertical up, horizontal, overhead, vertical down. Our Dissimilar steel welding electrode. You can weld all steels with it, and also Dissimilar steel combinations. It has a very high tensile strength of 128,000, and it'll work hard at 186,000 psi tensile strength with a very high elongation of 38%. Right now we're going to weld a piece of mild steel to a piece of high carbon steel, which is a piece of file, and we'll show you the strength of this. And I complete the welds. Tack it into place first. Very smooth running rod, virtually no spatter. Basically has a self-lifting slag. The slag just peels up, comes off very easily. This runs on straight polarity. You have to set your machine on straight polarity, and then you turn the amperage up. It's got a very powerful arc, as you'll see. Watch your eyes. And I cut that weld off right off there. It's good for, and then the slag you'll just chip that off. You can also take this. Now if that was a piece of stainless steel where epoxy is suddenly towards you, cut it. And it's good for if you have a crack in a piece of cast iron, and you want to, instead of grinding that crack out, you use the gouging rod chamfer the crack. Say there was a crack in this piece. This is a piece of cast iron. If there was a crack in there, instead of grinding it, you would use this gouging rod. And what it actually does, it actually sears the iron, and it'll keep like contaminants that may be in the casting coming into your weld deposit, and it acts as a kind of a start. This is our premium cast iron rod. It's a very high nickel, so it has very good machinability. It has a non-conductive coating, so if you need to get down inside of a valve or a part that you're worried about hitting the side of the rod, it won't arc out on you, and I'll show you that here. It's a very smooth running rod. Filling this crack here in the iron. You can hit the side of the coating and it won't arc out. Very easy rod to operate. Slide release is also very easy. Got a nice soft ductile deposit. And machinable. We will weld cast iron to steel and or stainless steel. If you want to join stainless steel, watch your eyes. The rod won't overheat, which a lot of cast iron electrodes out there in the market will overheat. Ours do not. Very easy sag release. That's cast iron to steel. We've come up with a coating that's has a good shelf life, and it cuts through the oxides. Aluminum also will oxide when heated, and this will cut right through those oxides. Now with aluminum, when you're showing aluminum, you have to remember that aluminum burns off. Aluminum electrode will burn off 3 times faster than a normal steel electrode, so you have to move kind of quickly. Put 2 plates together. And with an aluminum electrode, it only runs on DC reverse. You want to run it on DC reverse, so it won't run on AC. Watch your eyes. Very easy slag release. Homogeneous deposit. It's one of our biggest movers. And that's all the products we had to show.
Now,